Elon Musk's Neuralink, 20,000 brain chip implants predicted by 2031. Neuralink update. Elon Musk's aspirations for his brain chip venture, Neuralink, are nothing short of ambitious. He has informed investors of his goal to implant Neuralink chips in the 20,000 individuals annually by the year 2031. If this plan comes to fruition, it could potentially yield around $1 billion in yearly revenue for the company, as reported by Bloomberg. To date, Neuralink has successfully raised $1.3 billion from various investors, which has led to a valuation of approximately $9 billion for the startup. The company is reportedly aiming to establish 5 major clinics within the next 6 years, and it plans to utilize at least 3 different versions of its innovative device. These include Telepathy, designed to facilitate communication between the brain and machines; Blindsight, which aims to assist individuals who are blind or visually impaired; and Deep, intended to help manage tremors and conditions like Parkinson's disease. Documents reviewed by Bloomberg indicate that Neuralink anticipates generating a minimum of $100 million in annual revenue, performing around 2,000 surgeries each year, and securing U.S. regulatory approval for its telepathy device by 2029. In a significant development, Neuralink received a breakthrough device designation from the FDA in May. This designation is for an application aimed at restoring communication abilities for individuals with severe speech impairments, including those suffering from ALS, spinal cord injuries, strokes, cerebral palsy, and multiple sclerosis. However, it's important to note that many of Neuralink's advancements in neurological technology have yet to be demonstrated or validated on a larger scale beyond a small number of cases. The company initiated clinical trials in January 2024 and launched its global patient registry in April of the same year. So far, Neuralink has publicly reported 9 successful implantations, but no patients have yet received the chips for treating blindness or Parkinson's disease, according to Bloomberg. This isn't the first instance where Musk has set lofty goals with tight deadlines, only to later revise those expectations. From his early promises about an affordable family car from Tesla back in 2006 to his predictions of producing 5,000 Optimus robots this year, Musk has a well-documented history of unmet promises. But here's where it gets controversial. Can we trust Musk's ambitious timelines, or are they just another example of over-promising and under-delivering? What do you think? Are you excited about the potential of Neuralink, or do you have reservations about its feasibility? Share your thoughts in the comments. Neuralink's ambitious goals: $1 billion revenue and 20,000 implants by 2031. Neuralink has set its sights on a future milestone that demands attention. The company is aiming to achieve $1 billion in annual revenue by the year 2031. According to a report from Bloomberg News dated July 23rd, these ambitious projections are based on internal documents shared with investors, outlining plans for the future. But here's where it gets interesting. Neuralink intends not only to place its advanced brain chips inside 20,000 individuals each year, but also to establish a network of 5 major clinics within the next 6 years. Each clinic will be prepared to provide distinct types of brain implants, including Telepathy for brain-machine communication, Blindsight aimed at improving vision, and Deep, with focuses on treating tremors and Parkinson's disease. And this is the part most people overlook. Neuralink's Telepathy device is targeting regulatory approval by 2029, and they plan to carry out around 2,000 surgeries annually, generating $100 million in revenue. Neuralink is looking forward to launching its Blindsight innovation by 2030, ramping up surgeries to 10,000 per year, and pushing revenues to over $500 million annually. Since its inception in 2016, the company had attracted about $1.3 billion in investments and holds a market valuation of approximately $9 billion, as reported by PitchBook. Notably, Neuralink has been granted the U.S. Food and Drug Administration's breakthrough designation for both its speech restoration and vision-enhancing devices. Just last month, Neuralink secured $650 million in its latest round of funding as the company advances its brain implant into clinical trials. After overcoming safety challenges noted by the FDA, which had previously turned down Neuralink's application in 2022, The company began human trials in 2024. In an impressive application of their technology, Neuralink reports that 5 patients experiencing severe paralysis are now able to control both digital and physical devices using just their thoughts. So, where do you stand on this revolutionary blend of neural technology and medicine? Do you see it as a key to unlocking new treatment possibilities? Or are you concerned about the ethical implications of integrating technology so closely with the human brain? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.